All right, 5:19 right now. What start to the day? Most of the heavy rain's been done, but we're under a first alert.
Yeah, we can't let our guard down just yet because we do have the threat for some storms this afternoon and evening. So, you know, if you're up early with us for this morning and heading out now or in the next couple of hours, you should be okay. But we do start to see some changes even as we head into, I'd say, these morning hours like 8, 9 o'clock. We'll start to see some showers roll in. Now, those are non-severe. Those are just some showers that are moving through, and we could see some downpours, so you still want to take it easy. We do have this first alert that goes from 4 p.m. till 10 p.m., and with that, tracking the showers and tracking the storms. Friday does look drier for us, so some good news on that front. We have this stationary boundary, and that is just going to continue to lift to the north of us, and then you can see the cold front. That is off to the west. Now, in between this area, this is where we're going to see a lot of that warm and humid air mass. And with so much moisture in the atmosphere, that is why a lot of the rain that comes down could be in buckets at some times. And so some rain rates could be pretty impressive. You look at the satellite and radar composite loop right now, you see some showers here off to the southwest that will eventually be pressing into the region. Already starting to see it work its way in just there into the southwest corner of Chester County. Give you a closer look right now along many of the interstates, and it's just dry, not rain coming down, but again, the damp roads are there. And look how sticky it is when you step outside. This is so uncomfortable when you have dew points in the 70s. Feels like we're in Florida right now, but that is just not the case. Again, this is just going to feel so uncomfortable for us for today. 70s across the area right now, and with the clouds and the rain showers, we might not get that warm. We might not see much variation with the temperatures today. You're looking at Delaware at 79, 75 for the Lehigh Valley, the suburbs at 76. And again, look at the warm front lifting. Here comes the cold front. The shower activity advances for us as we go on throughout the day. This clears out as we get into Friday. And Friday, aside from maybe a stray shower south and east, is trending much drier, as I said. Can't let our guard down. Again, we do have the marginal risk for severe weather, so any storms that do pop off this afternoon, with all of those factors, as I mentioned, all the ingredients coming together, we have the opportunity to see a few be strong to severe. You look at here over the next few days or over the next few hours, and you start to see some showers roll in again around 6, 7 o'clock. That's the line that we'll be watching for. It's not too impressive right now, but we are starting to see that. Gusty winds for today. Keep that in mind with those storms that roll through. Tomorrow with the clearing, we get back up into the 80s. So some good news there if you like the warmer side of things. Heading into the weekend, though, even though high pressure is going to try to keep us dry, we might sneak in some showers for you late on Saturday and throughout the day on Sunday. It will be overcast with some showers as well, and that will be keeping your temperatures on the cooler side. In fact, on Sunday, only getting to a high of around 75 degrees. Next week, it's like a snap back to reality. You have highs only in the 60s. All right, that is a look at your forecast. Sheila, how are the roads looking this morning?